Hi! In this short video, we'll show how to install the Mosko Moto Gnoblin on the updated Perun Moto Small Billet rack for the KTM 890 Adventure. The redesign adds dedicated mounting holes for the Gnoblin system, allowing direct compatibility with Mosko Moto rackless luggage. For this installation, you'll need a 5mm Allen key, a 10mm wrench, and a small piece of cardboard, which makes the process noticeably easier. Choosing the correct mounting hole for the Gnoblin depends on the luggage being used. For setups such as the Rackless 10 and the Rackless 80, the front mounting position provides the best fitment. For a Rackless 40 or Alpine 60, the rear position works better. Start by pre-assembling the Gnoblin button together with both spacers onto the mounting bolt and keep the assembly within reach. Since access to the underside of the rack is somewhat limited, we first remove the seat. Now place the flat washer and safety nut onto the piece of cardboard, making sure the nylon insert on the nut is facing the correct direction. Slide the cardboard underneath the rack so the nut aligns directly below the desired mounting hole. Next, insert the pre-assembled Gnoblin button through the rack and carefully begin threading it into the nut by hand. Once the threads are engaged, double-check that all components are seated correctly before tightening everything down securely. The only thing left afterward is reinstalling the seat. Another mounting option is to remove the entire rack from the bike, install the Gnoblin, and then reinstall the rack afterward. Since the rack itself is mounted using only 4 bolts, this can be the quicker approach in some cases. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.